Hello everyone, Bertina Amy here, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I thought I would try making a Dollar Tree DIY fall pumpkin centerpiece. It's super easy, so let's jump right in. So right here, this is my spring centerpiece that I still have sitting around because I figured it worked really well for the summer as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and take everything out of it. And I'm going to repurpose these the next time it's spring. So I'm going to go ahead and repurpose this tea light that was inside of my honeybee tea light candle holder thing. And instead, I'm going to use this. And he'll fit perfectly just inside. Test out this tea light. Most likely it's still good. I don't know why that was so difficult. So I found these daisy bush. I don't know why it's spelled that way. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, I found these. I thought they were so cool. They look new to me this year, and I thought these would be great to complement the look of this seemingly lonely pumpkin, or should I say jack-o'-lantern. And the reason why I'm having these facing the way that I do is because you're not really going to see it from the glass side of it anyways, and I think it looks pretty this way. So I don't want the black parts or those areas to be visible, so I'm not done decorating with it yet. I'm going to save this because I'm probably going to repurpose it. I saw they also have these muted pumpkin clips that I thought would also be cute. See how this looks. Let's see if I can even... Okay, so this pumpkin is a little too large, which means I need to go with a different plan. And perhaps that means I'm actually going to need to instead not arrange them the typical way. Instead, maybe I should do it like... maybe something like that. I'm just kind of playing around here. Maybe I could put the pumpkins in the corner. I realize there's only 3 of these, and that's fine because I have other pumpkins as well. So if this is going to be my front with the face facing a certain way, then I also have these velvet pumpkin clips that I could use for a little bit of pop of color. Maybe something like that. Or maybe if the blue is too much, maybe instead we could put one of these fake corns from Dollar Tree. Actually, I don't even mind if it tilts like that. And then I've got the scarecrow as an option as well. And let's see how it looks with the lights off. So you can see it's flickering in there. And I'll try to get a side view as well. So while this is one way to do a centerpiece, it's not the only way, and you can definitely obviously play around, have fun with the different shades of colors available. And here is the final result. I decided to put the flowers back in their corners because I was actually more okay with the black spaces or the negative spaces anyways, and that way you could actually see the jack-o'-lantern's face. And here it is with the lights turned off. Super easy, and if you've been following my channel for a while, you'll know that I've been repurposing this sort of case thing that I've used to place my arrangement in. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.